going over this assignment. So this is a Smiley's taxonomic key or dichotomous key. All right, it says the directions: use the taxonomic key on the right side to identify the organisms on the left. Write the name of each smiley in the lettered blanks on the next page. If one eye is closed, then the eye color is the same for both eyes, which would be the other open eye. And no two smileys will have the same name. So this is your answer sheet that they're saying you will write the name of the organism down on. And if you notice, our answer sheet goes right along with our organism. So A, you will answer on the A line. B, you will answer on the B line. C, you will answer on the C line. All right. So we're going to go through and talk about some of these characteristics, so you make sure, even though it's up here in this key, some of us don't always look at it. So if it says it's dashed whenever you're over here reading the descriptors, a dashed looks like this, a dotted looks like that dots. Okay, thick outlines are going to be these that have like those big dots, and that big thick line, the big dashes. Thin outlines are going to be much thinner. All right, and then the other characteristics that they will be describing is the colors of the eyes, whether they're white or they're black. The color of the smile, whether they're black or white. The winking eyes. So these are winking eyes, and like it said up there, if we have one winking, we know that that winking eye is the same color as this white one. Whereas over here, this guy's winking. He has a black eye here, so we know he's going to have a black eye there. And I think the only other thing is, do they have teeth or no teeth? All right, so we're going to do just a couple here, like maybe A, B, and C with you, and then you will do the rest because there's a lot here. So this is organism A, right? Organism has a solid outline or a broken outline. Well, we can look, and that's solid. There's no gashes in it. So we're going to go to 2. So 2 is organism has a thin outline or a thick outline. Well, that is thick, right? So we're going to go to 5. So 5 is down here. It has white eyes or black eyes. Our guy over here has white eyes, so we're going to go to 8. 8's down here. Winking or not winking. He is not winking. Both of his eyes are open, so we're going to go all the way down to 22. So we're making a big leap down here to 22. Does he have teeth or no teeth? Our guy has no teeth, right? So no teeth. He is Blancus starus. So Blancus starus. And you'll notice that the ones on these aren't real scientific names because these are smiley faces, but like we talked about on that last assignment, we were using the common names. Here, you're going to see that there are 2 names for each organism. So that would be like the genus and the species of these smiley faces. All right, so for B here, remember, we always start back up at the top. B, organism has a solid outline or a broken outline. Well, his is still solid, so we're going to go to 2. Organism has a thin outline or a thick outline. He's got a thin one now, so we're going to go to 4. Does he have white eyes or black eyes? He has black eyes, so that's 7. Winking or not winking? He is not winking, so we go to 20. 20 is way down here. Does he have teeth or no teeth? He has no teeth, so he is a Thinus darkus. So a Thinus, oh, how do I spell that? 2 N's. And you'll notice in one of those videos you were, I think the crawfish one, where it told us different things that scientists will name organisms for. A lot of them are their, characteristics. And here he's got a thin outline and he has dark eyes, right? So We can see how that works out in this situation. They're kind of using the organism itself. All right, so the last one we're going to do together, C. Organism has a solid outline or a broken outline. Well, it's solid, go to 2. It has a thin or a thick outline. That one is a thick one, so we will go to 5. 5 is down here. White eyes or black eyes. This one has black eyes, so we're going to go to 9. 9 says winking or not winking. Ours is not winking, so we go to 24. And if we go all the way down here, 24, teeth or no teeth, well, C has no teeth. So this is the blackest eyes. Oh no, thickest, darkest. Yeah, no teeth. He had no teeth, right? So it's thickest, darkest. So thickest, darkest. And you can tell thinnest, darkest, they pretty much had the same thing going on except that thick outline, right? So you are going to go through and complete this. There is a lot of them, so you don't need to waste your time, because if you do, you will have homework. For those of you that are doing this at school, remember, always go up to the top, go to step 1, read both descriptive sentences or whatever, descriptors, and pick yes or no, and then just follow where it tells you to go. And y'all should have no problem doing this, and hopefully it's kind of fun, and hopefully you laugh at some of the names there. All right, let us know if you need any help.